But you can message also here on my videos here. Hello Jessica Beauty, thank you. I'm from Philippines guys. Care about myself. Mm. Let's stop private booking now. Oh, mm. You can talk me on my messenger or on my Instagram. Still Nani Humayagi. Nani Humayagi as in jar. You like what's the noise? So I hope you guys subscribe because I am in a 98k. It's something like 98.5. So I need to go to 99. I'll be happy if I'm going to 99. 99. Then 1000 more subscribers. That. I will remove the bad messages. Sorry guys. I-alis mo ng unan ma'am, please. Huwag na baka ito maano naman ako. Ma-demonetize. Pag ma-test terminate. Hi. Pag-comment and subscribe. Dati, when I always go live, my viewers said tomorrow will be higher, higher, higher. For a long time no see, yeah. Because, hello, El Hot Russia. Yeah, long time no see. Because when I go live in the morning, you can see me because sometimes in the morning, sometimes in the evening, I feel sleepy. I'm sorry po, ma'am. So please don't get subscribe now for the road of 100k. I'll be happy and I will thank you all of you guys to support my channel. I That's it. So it's time to go to sleep now. I'll be back tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow I'll be going live, but I have my video you can watch and you can support me by viewing of my videos to get higher on my views, guys. I need because some of them decided it, so I need to gain more views again before I reapply for monetization. So I'll be happy if you support on my channel. Ahmad, Ahmed, not so fine. I need to work on my channel again because my channel is bad news. My channel is not earning anymore. It's just like talking to you without anything. Just like I wanna talk to my viewers just to update that I'm always here. So thank you so much and hello Marco Denver, hi. Hello Money Vlog, hello. For just an update that I'm still here because when I do that. Hi mom, I can't find your Instagram now. No, it's Naomi Hamarolin. It's only Naomi Hamarolin. You can find it there. Naomi, just Che Hamarolin. You can find it there. Try to search my Naomi, Nomi, just Che Hamarolin. My Instagram. Hello to my 104 viewers. I wait for you on my Instagram. I can photographer. I go on live guys every 5 p.m. in the I go go for walking till 6 in the evening